Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. It's a great day where I'm at. I hope it's really great where you're at. It's a little warmer here. See the sun. The sun. Sun. The sun is very sunny today. Okay. I know that the crypto markets is not reflecting the weather I'm happy about. But let me give you some uh, like a snapshot of the future. Today I'm going to show you like a snapshot of the future. What's going to happen in the next 2 weeks? If you guys remember, I have been posting a lot of ideas, a lot of videos, a lot of this, a lot of that on my profile here on TradingView and on my YouTube channel. By the way, if you're not following me on TradingView, you need to do it now to get all my ideas right away. YouTube, if you want to get content that is not on TradingView, you need to follow me also on YouTube. By the way, a little example of the things I have posted on YouTube that I haven't posted on TradingView. I posted 12 days ago. I said, expect attack news on Bitcoin due next week. And we have been seeing nothing but attacks. We've been seeing nothing but attacks. I told you, I'm the one who sees the future, and I have seen this coming. I have seen this coming. Somebody here asked me, okay, but Bitcoin didn't really break. Yep, it didn't really continue going all the way up. It didn't continue its bullish. It's just consolidating. But all that tax coming from the US government, specifically the anti-Bitcoin, I'm going to call them the anti-Bitcoin, the Antichrist. They are the anti-crypto, anti-Bitcoin, the US government. They hate crypto. They tried so many times to break it. They're even trying to put that guy in jail, for God's sake. That guy lives in Hong Kong or something. I know. That guy from Binance. They want to put him in jail. Like, just leave the guy alone, man. I didn't even know that guy, but come on. Just take a little break. You tried to break that guy, but that guy is not breakable. Try again. It's not going to work like that. Anyhow, we talked about the attack. Is the attack over, by the way, before I go to the next point? Well. The attack is not over until April 12th, April 13th, which takes me again to something I did mention multiple times on my profile. If you're not following me now, you need to do it. You need to follow the guy who sees the future, because you don't want to miss what's going to happen. I did mention that in this idea and in this idea. I did mention in both that you see the two lines, we are going into consolidation. After even that line, we passed that line, we're here into a consolidation, okay? Up to April 12th, okay? So all that attack, it pretty much did nothing to Bitcoin except for just like slowing it down a little bit. And did it affect the other markets? Well, all the other crypto markets are followers of Bitcoin. They don't really act based on themselves. They just follow what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin goes up, they go up. Bitcoin goes down, they go down. Ethereum tried to do like a little different, but it just can't. It will get back to where it's at. And I did say that, by the way, yesterday. I don't know if you watched my stream or no, but I did say Ethereum will have to go a little down. It needs to go where it's at. And I said that's a great scalping opportunity, because me myself, I will wait for Ethereum to go down to maybe 1722, then I'm gonna buy it back again, maybe today, tomorrow, I know, 2 days, whatever. Anything before April 12th is valid. It goes all the way down here, I'm definitely buying back between that channel, between these two lines. You see that consolidation here and here. That one just went a little up and we're back again. But you have two nice consolidation areas. Same for Bitcoin. You can definitely have a great chance for scalping. Like yesterday, I did buy here, me, myself, or here. I don't remember. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to go all the way up again. How much is that? This is 3%. Not bad. So if you put like $1,000, you're gonna make 30 bucks, not that much. If you put 10 grand, you're gonna make $300. That's not too bad if you're gonna make them like doing nothing. Just a quick buy and sell, and you can even sell here if we're not at April 12th. By April 12th, do not sell your Bitcoin. You're gonna regret it because Bitcoin will never be cheaper. Before April 12th, Bitcoin can definitely be going up and down like that, so it can be cheaper or not cheaper. If you guys have a question, put it here. I'm happy. Some some of you, what the hell? Some of you have been sending me messages in private messages. Just if you want to do it, do it. If you're a little shy, but if you're not, if you're a big boy, big girl, just put the message here and share your idea with me. I'm happy to answer any question. Okay. So yeah, like we said, Bitcoin has to go like up and down, up and down. This is called consolidation. How do I know that? Because here, if I come to this chart that tell me the future, I'm seeing that thing is still here attacking Bitcoin personal planets. I'm seeing that thing here not doing what's supposed to do. It need to go here to Gemini. So that will happen in 6 days exactly. But let's give it an extra day to feel the energy. Also, in April 12th, there's that CPI that a lot of people are waiting for that. I don't know why, but it seemed like it's great news, important news. What is it? Oh, sorry, the inflation rate. I'm so sorry, guys. The inflation, it's extremely important. Inflation rate, the core inflation rate on April 12th, that actually definitely going to affect the markets. We might see the markets moving at the same day, maybe a day after, maybe a day before, but around that time, which actually goes well with this too, because in April 12th, the energy is shifting. The attack will stop, and that guy, which controls a lot of the money aspects in Bitcoin, will definitely be in a better position. You're going to even see this blue. It's not going to be as red as it was. Now we're just going through tough times, and that guy's the problem. Okay. So everything aligns. I got the astrology aligning. I got this thing aligning, blah, 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 this, that, whatever. I'm waiting for my Bitcoin to keep going up and down, up and down. Try to buy at the bottom, try to sell again at the top to make a little profit here and there. I can be making 200, 300, 400 bucks. Who knows? Better than nothing before I come to April 12th and I make the big money. Okay. Wait, I'm new. What has happened April 12th? Well, if you're new, you need to follow me now, here. And on YouTube too, if you don't want to miss anything, okay? Oh, I did answer your question. Of course I did answer your question. I'm happy I did. You still need to follow me now. Do not miss that. Do not miss that, Mr. B vitamin 26. I had never heard of that vitamin before. I know vitamin D, B, and B12. I never heard of 26. Anyhow, Mr. B vitamin 26, you need to follow me now on YouTube and TradingView. Good. You're such a good person. I didn't know. You are such a good person. Shout out to my friend B vitamin 26. Okay. So back again, consolidation, Bitcoin, all other crypto following Bitcoin, especially Ethereum, except for Dogecoin. Oh, what's going on with Dogecoin? Well, Mr. Troll, aka Mr. Elon Musk, he did something really interesting, really interesting. It sounds like a joke, but it's not really a joke because it's a step to something that will happen in the future. And let me talk a little more about that. So that guy, 2 days ago, or I know, yeah, 2 days ago, he said, well, look at Twitter. Oh my God, now it's a dog. It used to be a little birdie. Now it's a dog. So other than that guy trying to give the middle finger to the people who had a case against him saying that he was playing with the markets. If you don't know about that, you have to read about that. You just give him the middle finger through his property, aka twitter.com, by putting that icon here. The logo of Twitter for how many years? 10 years, 10 plus years? It became something else. Well, that might be like a little hint to the future that I heard. Like we all have been hearing about that. Okay, that you want to make Twitter the next PayPal even better than PayPal. Do you want to process money over that? If they do that, and I'm sure you heard about this from a lot of other people, but this is actually makes sense if you think about it. If they do that and they use Bitcoin 100% as a currency and also Dogecoin as a currency on Twitter, definitely this thing, this meme coin, whatever it's called, will have a value. Till that moment, it has no value. Till that moment, it's still, I know what is it? Is it a joke? Is it not a joke? I know what is it. So I'm not putting my money there. I did put my money when it went all the way up. I was like, what's going on here? And I made a little profit here. How much percent? I think I made like 10%, something like that. Yeah, about 10%. I got out. and that was fine. That was it. Then I did see that trend, yeah, because when I look at the chart again, I started seeing that little thing here, and even in the hourly, it was just getting weaker and weaker and weaker, and you can see the volume is disappearing. So you can just have a little brains and understand that, yeah, it was just a fad. You know what I'm saying? It's just like a little pump from Mister Whatever. It's not going to the moon or anything, but you can see like a little elite wave forming here. If you want to just go by pure technical analysis, okay, three, four, that might be five. So that might be happening. Okay. Uh and yeah, the Fibonacci, if you run the numbers, it will make sense. Okay. Yep, you can see here. Three, yeah, it's going well on the Fibonacci. Maybe even gonna go 1.68. So that's a lot. That's not bad, son. Okay, even the one here, whatever the hell, we can say that there's a lot of profit can be made here if it is not going down. Okay. Wow, 46%. You're not going to make that money over Bitcoin. Okay. That's a lot of profit, but don't put all your money there. If you come to my profile, I did post that idea and I said it will go all the way. Look at the April 4th. Why the hell are you not following me now? Why are you missing these things? Why are you doing this to yourself? I know what the do not do that to yourself. Anyhow, I did say that, yeah, it will have to go down. If it goes down, maybe it's going to be a great opportunity to rebuy after this retracement. Right? To make some but disclaimer, I didn't use astrology. Well, I'm going to talk about this later now. The thing I want to say, I said I'm going to wait here. Yeah, there was a bridge divergence. I wanted to see if it actually makes sense. It did go all the way down to that target, which is the 880. It actually did that right away, like today or something, this morning. Uh, Look at that. Look at that. Look at the RSI. I'm not seeing a divergence. So it seems like it's going to continue going all the way down. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't look that good. Even if I put my pivots here, which is something you should do. The pivot is about that I don't know, that pivot is about 0.860. Maybe wait till here and see if we're having like a little divergence so we can see it actually going to go up the fifth wave. If we don't see that, that means it's gonna be broken now, guys. Like, just ignore this thing. But if it's going up, it's great opportunity. You're gonna make really good money. Do not miss that. Follow me now to know exactly. Maybe I'm gonna post it in TradingView. Maybe I'm gonna post it here. Who knows? It's up to me, and it's up to you to decide if you want to miss it or no. You have to follow me now. Okay. So if I want to talk about astrology, about this guy, Dogecoin, if it really gonna see something, like I did give it some time to see what's going on here. And what was really interesting is that the same thing that was attacking Bitcoin, it's actually not attacking Dogecoin. It's actually not too bad. And the same things that are literally gonna be the best thing that happen in Bitcoin's life this year will be very interesting for Dogecoin to make it a little more volatile than usual, which is already volatile. So this year, that is going to be the greatest year ever for Bitcoin, and mark my words. May, June, July. This is going to be the best year ever for Bitcoin, mark my words. I'm going to talk more about that in the coming weeks. It's going to be the same time. It's going to be more volatile in the positive side for Dogecoin. That means it doesn't have to go all the way up. It means it's going to go all the way up, then a little down, then up. It's going to be crazy, but in a good way. This is also going to happen at the very same time when Bitcoin going to have the best year ever, which is going to be through May, June, and July. I'm going to talk more about that later. You need to follow me now to know about this. Okay. So it makes sense to see things happening for Dogecoin. So based on this year, it's not going to be another fake pump for that guy. There might be a really good year for Dogecoin. I'm this thing is saying that this year might be a really good thing for Dogecoin. And it's funny because damn guy, Elon Musk, with all the things he's doing, all the things he's saying, it's all aligning up. So if we see that happening around the months of May and June or whatever, yeah, you can see that monthly candle going all the way up, maybe even up to the one. Yes, it can happen. There is a big probability. I don't know when is it going to happen. That's bigger than Bitcoin. That's 10x. If we do 10x on Bitcoin, the Bitcoin is $1 million, like Balaji said. Which takes me to the next point. Balaji, what he's saying, that the crazy guy, he was like 90 days, 1 million. Of course, Bitcoin is not going to go to $1 million in 90 days, but definitely going to be having the greatest year ever this year. Mark my words, in profits. When you go onto the log, it will be just crazy. Where's the log? We already logarithmic. Let me just do regular now. If I do the get back to the logarithmic, you're gonna see the percentage from here to here for that bull market. How much? 2241. That's about 20 times X. That's crazy, actually. Yeah, 2000. That's crazy. Yeah, 20 times. And that bull was 13 times. So the other bull was a little bigger. Interesting. Oh, wait a second. That was 100 times. Okay, I'm getting a little confused. This is 100 times more. Is this correct? Went from $100 to, oh, that's 100 times. That is insane. If you buy in in January 15th up to in 2 years, this is 100 times. This is, yeah, the crypto billionaires. Okay. So 100 times more, 20 times more. This is going to be more than 100 times more. Is it going to go to the $1 million? Well, it's a lot complicated than that. No, it should be like, yeah, 20 times 22. Okay, I'm getting a little confused, but definitely this is going to be bigger than all the other ones. Just woke up, guys. I didn't have my coffee yet. Anyhow, this will be longer than anyone on us. So even if we go to the one, two, three. Oh, that's why it's $1 million. That's why it's crazy. I was like, yeah, the numbers don't add up. Anyhow, we're gonna see something that's insanely crazy. Maybe Balaji is gonna be right. Maybe we're gonna reach $1 million based on that. Because based on this thing, Bitcoin is having the best year it ever had in its 12 years. It's something that happens only each 12 years, and it's the very first time to happen to Bitcoin this year. I want you to put the math on like that. It's something, it happens each 12 years, and this is the very first time it happens. It's happening this year. So, and it's very positive. Like, I hope you get it. But yeah, I'm getting confused because it seemed like maybe Balaji is gonna be right. Maybe we're gonna do the $1 million this year. I don't know. It's crazy. My mind is being blown now. Okay. So yeah, this is what's happening now in the markets. Mr. Balaji, I don't know what the hell he's saying. He just keep posting about the war against the dollar. Well, it's not really a war against the dollar. It's just the dollar is dying. That's it. It's not really a war. It's just it got too old and everything has to die. Everything has an age. Come on, just be logical about it. Nothing can last forever, guys. It's just the this is the lifetime of the dollar. That's it. It's just a lifetime. And the United States of America, unless they change how they're managing things, it's gonna be the end of the United States of America. I'm sorry to say it like that, but this is the truth. They need to change how they are. Their stupid dollar is just over. That's it. The dollar is over. The government of the states, the dollar is over. Just accept it. You need to change. You need to be smart enough to adapt. And I think they're smart enough, unless they're not. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what is going to happen, because this is not a war against the dollar. This is just a normal evolution of things. It's just, this is the lifetime of something and it's over. It doesn't work anymore. We have other better solutions. I know what they're trying to do. They're trying to make another currency. It's not going to work. You need something that is more stable, like cryptocurrency. And what is the king? And you know what? That the model I'm thinking about, and I'm sure a lot of people agree with me, it's not just going to be Bitcoin. It's going to be all of these cryptocurrencies. Maybe not 1,000 coins. Might be like 4 or 5 top coins. Like now, when we have the top currencies, you have the Aussie dollar, the Canadian dollar. Okay, that's fine. Put all these in the garbage, and now you're gonna have the Bitcoin, you're gonna have the Ethereum, might be Dogecoin because of Elon Musk, the craziest guy on earth, and might be another 2 or 3 coins, maybe this Cardano thing, this, that, blah, blah, blah. And this is it. People are gonna be consuming, and instead of gold, you're gonna have Bitcoin as the reserve. So do you understand that part? Now you have a reserve that you refer back to. You have a reserve that you refer back too. But you can definitely pay things through other currencies. Like now, when you are in Australia, you're not gonna use the US dollar, you're gonna use the Aussie dollar. When you're in New Zealand, you're gonna use the New Zealand dollar. When you are in Canada, you're gonna use the Canadian dollar. But we all know that they're all gonna be pegged, or not pegged, but kind of like their value will be tied to the US dollar, which is supposed to be tied to the gold, which is not now. But everything now will be tied to Bitcoin. This is how I see it. And I was planning to make a longer video explaining the new world order when it comes to currency from my point of view. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in something like that. Okay, so again, consolidation from now till April 12th. Try to scalp if you have a risk appetite like me. I like to do that. If you want to know trades I'm going to be going in, then following me now. I'm going to be trying to push some trades. I'm seeing interesting things. I'm waiting for this guy, Dogecoin, to go all up so I can have a signal of going all the way up. Not all the way, some way. My target will be maybe here. Ethereum, I'm waiting for them to go a little down so I can buy it again. Bitcoin, I already buy it because it seemed like this is a really good support. I'm expecting it to go all the way up to 28.6 before it goes down again before the April 12th. Have a great day, guys. I'm out.